much indeed. Hello, good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll never believe this. Honestly, I've just been accosted at the stage door by a bird. Yes, as I got out my carriage, this bird said to me, Mr. Harris, he said, can you help me get into show business? Well, I said, well, what have you got to offer? In the way of talent, that is, of course. And, do you know, I was so overwhelmed with what I heard. Ladies and gentlemen, I've asked this bird to appear before you this evening. So if you excuse me, I'll just break. Can you come out?
I can't.
Pardon?
I can't come out and shout.
What do you mean you shout? Just come out here. Just come out here and have a look. What? So, come on.
They look at me.
Come on. Now, I'll tell you what, we'll go down here and see everybody. Now, it's very, very shy, you see. Now, no, please, if I can just bring him down, you see, because I know. Now turn around and have a look.
I can't.
Yes, you can. You can have a look.
I can't look. They laugh at me.
They won't laugh, but turn around and have a look.
They're laughing.
Oh, look, it's all right. Please, please. Now, come on, turn around, because now you're in show business.
And it's show business.
Yes, yes, yes. That's right. You're in show business. Now the people are laughing with you and not at you.
They're laughing with me.
Yes.
They're laughing with me.
That's right. What's your name?
Pardon?
What's your name?
Orville.
Orville?
Yes.
Oh, I see, Orville. What are you going to do for the ladies and gentlemen this evening?
I'm going to do my impression.
Your impressions?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Yes. Yes. Who are you going to do an impression of?
Percy Edwards.
Percy.
Laughing with us.
Yes, that's good. Listen, how about flying around the auditorium, do some aerobatics?
I'd like to.
You like to?
But no looksies, no.
Oh, why not?
I can't fly.
Now, see, it's all right taking the mickey, but you can't fly.
I can't fly.
But how did you get here from London?
I walk.
Well, listen, Orville, I'm going to teach you to fly. I mean, with a name like yours, anyway, you should be able to fly. Orville.
That's right.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want you just to flap your wings. There we are. Just get... There we are. Now look at this. Believe it or not, Orville, yes indeed, I'm going to take my hand away. Look at that! Hey! I took my hand away.
It's a good job you didn't take your other hand away, wasn't it?
Yes, there, that's marvellous. Now you feel happy, you can tell all your friends that you can fly.
I can't do that now.
Oh, why not?
I haven't got any friends.
You haven't got any friends?
No, nobody loves me.
Oh, I'm sure they do. I mean, don't the other little birds love you?
They don't talk to me.
They don't talk to you.
I'm a funny colour. But it's not easy being green.
Isn't it really?
I'll tell you all about it.
All right, tell us all about it.
You won't laugh.
I won't laugh.
It's not that easy being green. Having to spend each day the colour of the leaves.
Yes?
When I think it could be nicer being red or yellow or gold or something colourful like that.
Like that.
It's not easy being green. Well, you seem to blend in with so many other ordinary things.
Yes?
And people tend to pass you over because you're not sticking out like sparklers on the water or stars in the sky.
But green is the colour of spring.
That's true.
And green can be cool and friendly-like.
Friendly-like?
That's right. Green can be big like the ocean.
Yeah.
Or important, like a mountain. Or tall, very tall.
Like a tree.
Like a tree.
When green is all there is to be. Well, it can make you wonder why, but why? Wonder why, wonder. I am green and that'll do fine.
It's beautiful.
And I think that's what I want.